Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to permanently delete your Reddit account on both desktop and mobile. There are a few important things to know before you do it, so stick around because this could save you from making a mistake. Let's get into it. Before we do anything, there are a few things you really need to understand. First, deleting your Reddit account is permanent. There is no deactivate option like Facebook or Instagram. Once it's gone forever, and your username can never be used again by anyone, including you. Second, deleting your account does not delete your posts and comments. They stay on Reddit, but will show up under a tag that says deleted instead of your username. So if you've ever shared personal information in a post, that's still visible to everyone. If you want your posts gone too, you need to manually delete them before closing your account. And third, if you have Reddit Premium, canceling your account does not cancel your subscription automatically. You need to cancel that separately first to avoid getting charged for nothing. Alright, let's delete the account. On your computer, go to reddit.com and log in. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Make sure you're on the Account tab and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll find a section called Advanced, and right there you'll see Delete Account. Click on it. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter your username and password to confirm it's really you. You can also optionally leave a reason for why you're leaving, but that's totally up to you. Then check the box that says, I understand that deleted accounts are not recoverable, and hit Delete. One final warning will pop up. Click Delete one more time to confirm. And that's it. Your account is gone. On iPhone, open the Reddit app and tap your profile avatar in the top right corner. In the side menu, scroll all the way down and tap Settings. Then scroll down again until you see Delete Account under the Support section. Tap it, and a confirmation message will appear explaining that your profile and username will be permanently removed, but your posts will remain. Tap Continue, enter your password when asked, and then tap Delete to confirm. Done! Your account is permanently deleted. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. On Android, open the Reddit app and tap your profile icon in the top right. Tap Settings, then select Account Settings right under your username. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Delete Account. A confirmation screen will pop up. Tap Yes, Delete to proceed. You'll then be asked to verify your password. Enter it and tap Done. That's all there is to it. Your account is deleted immediately. After deletion, your profile is gone. No karma, no avatar, no post history linked to your name. Anyone who clicks on your old username will just see a page saying the account has been deleted. Reddit also starts a process to remove or anonymize your data from their servers within 90 days. However, Reddit may still keep certain data records as required by law, so just keep that in mind if full privacy is your main concern. And that's everything you need to know about deleting your Reddit account the right way. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.